times have the sun goes by, where how many times have we gone to the water's edge to give thanks for these gifts, and we will rise again. We will rise again. Let's be bold.